Hi friends, Esther here. Today I'll be showing you how to make murabba with fresh bamboo shoot. I have been getting requests from some of our viewers on bamboo shoot murabba, but I actually never knew what murabba is. So I did a lot of research on it, and finally here I am with fresh bamboo shoot murabba. And yeah, guys, believe me, it tastes awesome. I never knew that fresh bamboo shoot can be turned into such a delicious sweet dish. And I don't know how far it is true, but then I also came across some contents that claims that consumption of murabba helps in height growth, especially for a person like me. So if you want to gain some height, then you can start consuming bamboo shoot murabba. Okay, so let me quickly show you what are the ingredients that I use for our today's recipe. So let's check it out.
Alright, so for our today's recipe, I'll be using some fresh bamboo shoot that I have thinly sliced it into ring shape. I'm gonna use some sugar. I'll be using about 4 to 5 whole cardamom pods or elaichi, and 1 lime. Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to Nagaland Foodie yet, then click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Then select all option so that you don't miss out notification on our new videos. Now we will add the fresh bamboo shoot in a saucepan. And after that, we will add some water. Now we will boil the bamboo shoot for about 30 minutes so that it gets cooked well. It has started to boil, and as you can see, the color has also changed into yellowish. We have been boiling the bamboo shoot for about 30 minutes, and I guess this will be done. So now let's wash the bamboo shoot. You know, I have been mentioning in my other fresh bamboo shoot video that fresh bamboo shoot contains some toxin and it tastes a little bitter. So before consuming fresh bamboo shoot, you need to boil and throw the water and wash it for at least 4 to 5 times. We are done washing the bamboo shoot, so let's keep it aside. And after that, we will break the shoots. I'm using toothpick to break it. You can use a fork or maybe any other things to break it. The reason why I am doing this is to let the sugar go deep inside the shoots once we start mixing the remaining ingredients. So here it is. Now let's start the next process by adding the sugar. After that, you can give it a good stir. I'll add a little bit of water so that it gets melted easily this way. Now we will add the boiled bamboo shoot. Mix it well so that the sugar goes deep inside the shoots. just started to boil, and the color has also changed into yellowish again. Make sure you keep stirring it often, otherwise it will get burned. Now let's add the lime. I'm using only one lime because the quantity of the bamboo shoot is also less, as this is the first time that I'm making murabba. Next, we will add the whole cardamom pods by tearing it into 2 pieces. It has a very strong aroma and it will give a nice flavor in our fresh bamboo shoot murabba. We will be boiling the shoots until the sugar syrup becomes a little thick. So let's keep boiling it. And here we are done with our bamboo shoot murabba. Store the fresh bamboo shoot murabba by transferring it in a glass bowl, or maybe you can even store it in a glass bottle or a jar. We will be keeping this for the next 2 days, so let it cool down. And after that, you can cover it with the lid. And this is how it will look after keeping it untouched for 2 days. Sweet and juicy fresh bamboo shoot murabba. I hope you like the recipe. Thanks and keep watching Nagaland Foodie.